This island is full of essences. It's amazing. It's a place like in paradise. You have everything. All these scents are my inspiration, especially when I cook here. I am Georgia. I have this restaurant and winery. I'm very proud of my daughter because she takes traditional Cretan cuisine and she turns them into a work of art. She wants to make a different, creative cuisine and to evolve my recipes and my mother's recipes, or even my grandmother's recipes. What also makes Cretan cuisine very special is philoxenia. It's part of our culture. You treat other people like they are your family, like without expecting something from them. With a smile and a good heart. It's from the soul. You can't explain it really.
And Cretan pasta for you, sir.